The Kuwait Society for Human Rights recently held an event entitled The Gathering of the Volunteers, which is a human rights commitment campaign. The campaign comprises of 4 groups which have a certain object pertaining to a number of people who are in need of support. This support can be psychological, mental, financial and emotional in nature. More on this report by our correspondent Ghenwa Jabouri.
The Society for Human Rights recently held an event entitled The Gathering of the Volunteers. The Gathering of the Volunteers is a human rights commitment campaign aimed at supporting a number of people who may lack certain abilities. The campaign, which the Society for Human Rights has launched, is the first cultural salon initiative.
My campaign is called Hamlet Irsam al-Basma, and I have a dream that I connect all the people in Kuwait in a charity work, whatever they are come from, a different society. This is my dream. So I start to make this campaign Hamlet Irsam al-Basma, and each month I choose a category in Kuwait that in need, and I draw a smile on their faces. This is in general about Hamlet Irsam al-Basma.
The Gathering of the Volunteers consists of 4 teams: Draw a Smile, Layan GCC, the Centre of Initiative, and we have Benevolence. Each team has an objective and a goal which they are keen and passionate to fulfill. The team's objectives are to help the poor, the lame and the underprivileged. Layan GCC is one of the largest campaigns in the GCC which helps Syrian refugees.
Yeah, I'm a volunteer in the group Fina Khair. Okay. What inspired me was my sister, because she's the one that knew about the group. We volunteer we buy toys. For example, if we're going to visit kids with cancer, we buy toys to make them smile. The goal for us is to make everyone smile, put a smile on their faces.
This is the first cultural event in Kuwait Society for Human Rights. It will be monthly. Each month we'll have a seminar or a gathering for the volunteers of Kuwait. Each campaign have their own goals in humanitarian acts. Like Irsam al-Basma, she is focused on the poor people from the foreigners that works here in Kuwait. Try to give them food or clothes. She makes every week there's a gathering to support them by delivering food, and we have Layan GCC. They are one of the biggest campaigns around the GCC. There's a lot of people participating from Kuwait, Bahrain, Qatar, Saudi Arabia and United Arab Emirates to support the Syrian refugees in Turkey or in Lebanon by supporting them psychologically and to give them the medical support or even any money they need or clothing or even shelter to build.
It is crucial that one does not lose their humanitarian sense, as there are millions of people around the world living in harsh circumstances. Kuwait has always been a state that has shown a long history in supporting people in need and has extended its hand to many nations in their turbulent times, and continues its commitment in supporting a number of organizations that are of humanitarian nature.
We are just a company of organization of Weekend Group. We are coming here to organize some, there are many society here, Layan, Dawaf al Khair, GCSS also here. Everybody here, and they organize it to help people who's in the poor area, like Dawaf or Just Smile. They want to help people to give them some food or to make some balance between the poor people and the rich people here in the area.
Kuwait is no stranger to supporting events that are of a humanitarian nature. Today, the Human Rights Society has organised this event that sets out to help many people in need. Ghenwa Jabouri, KTV2, English News.